Here's how to activate a Cricket phone you just bought from Walmart, step by step. First, before you even try activating, make sure the SIM card is in the phone. If you're using a universal SIM kit, pick the correct size, pop it in, and make sure it's seated properly. Next, you'll need a few things ready: and the ICC ID number from the SIM card kit, or phone's IMEI number, dial 6 or check under settings about your order number, and Cricket phone number, a payment method, debit, credit, or a Cricket refill card. And if you're transferring your old number, your previous account number, and PIN, once you've got all that, open up a browser and go to cricketwireless.com join or cricketwireless.com activate. Enter your ICC ID IMEI. The site will ask if you're a new or existing user. From there, pick your plan, sign in or create a Cricket account, set up your PIN, enter billing details, and make your payment. Finally, hit activate to finish. Within a few minutes, your Cricket phone should be good to go. And that's it. You just activated your Cricket phone from Walmart. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll catch you in the next video.